Hi, today I'm going to show you how I figured out to make rail jointers to go between code 83 and code 100 rail. I went to my parts box and only found Atlas rail jointers, and I measured the thickness, and it didn't make sense to just squeeze down the ends. I just wanted an easier way to make the rail jointers in one piece so that I could solder the rails together. This is what I came up with. I take the rail jointer and spread the sides out and then bend the end up so that I have the distance I need to make the joint. That bends fairly easily, so I can adjust it so that the tops of the rails are right where I want it. And as I squeeze the two sides together, the sides will line up so that the rail will be in the right position laterally. To cut an Atlas rail jointer in half, I use a Dremel with a cutoff wheel. To cut the rail jointers apart, I use the rail nipper from Xuron. It's a flush cutter, essentially. I'm fortunate I have two nice pairs of pliers to hold the cutters, to hold the rail jointers, and also spread or wings on the outside so they can fit the rails into them easily. And on the uncut side, that I can open up the wings so that the code 83 fits into that side. On the uncut side, the rail fits in snugly. It has to be opened up so that you can fit the rail in easily, but not a big deal. I showed you how to solder in a previous video. In this video, I've done the soldering, and I will just show you how I finish the joints off after they've been soldered. It's about all there is for today. It's a quick one, but I found that this procedure works very well. I don't use an awful lot of rail jointers, about half as many to be exact. And the rails lined up really nicely. I was very pleased with the finished product. Have a good